This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for August 23rd, 2023. It's currently June 26, 2023, 8:37 p.m. Eastern Time, and the shuffle file for the 23rd was created on June 16th, 2023 at 11:42 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So what I think is actually going on here, we have a decline day. It's the night of discs, but I think in the case of the 23rd, this actually has to do with some sort of economic news that came out maybe pre-market or right around the open. Economic leader speaking, and there's an agreement between two leaders or a merger of some kind that's highlighted there in the morning. We have a rally first thing in the morning offering opportunity to open up a short position, and then looks like a pop and drop right around the open with sideways rotation. And then there's a lot of price change between 10 and 11 o'clock. We have a low for the day there, or a low thus far for the day. Out of that low, there's a lot of price change, and it looks like we actually have a peak or a crest at a key technical price level on at least a 1 month kind of scale. Key technical price level somewhere between 11 and 12. So we make a lot of price change from a low to a high in that 2-hour period between 10 and 12. Right around 12 o'clock, maybe a little bit before 12, a little bit after 12, there's a sharp drop. There's like 3 pokes through the same price level and then a sharp drop off of that third poke. Decline continues through multiple support levels between 1 and 2, and then there's an unexpected move to the upside. A lot of ground covered to the upside between 2 and 3, probably a lot closer to 3 than to 2. A lot of movement to the upside, but that movement is to the upside is then matched by a decline through multiple support levels, leading into a key support level at the close where we have a low correlator again. So we either have a low here at the end of the day, or we have like a prominent trough of some kind, but I think we probably have a low here, and there's a trade opportunity here, either here end of day or the following day. It looks like probably the following day in the morning. We open lower based on the strife card, and there should be a lot of ground covered today. A lot of ground covered today. Behavior around the highest high, we have decline. It's nullified Ace of Cups, so normally a decline that offers an opportunity to open up a long position, but I'd say since it's nullified and it's also kind of got this pop and drop kind of energy going on, I'd say it may not be an opportunity, the decline off of it, but more so just a prominent decline off of off of a high, which I think takes place early in the day, possibly here around the 11 to 12 o'clock hour, but most likely first thing in the day. And then the behavior around the lowest, so there's a notable fake out. This will stand out amongst some of the other fake outs that you might see throughout a daily chart. This will really stand out. A fake out, shake out normally has pretty sharp decline into a low there. And I think to the downside there. That's the S&P 500 for August 23rd, 2023. My friends, let me know how you do. Love to hear the stories of people doing well. I love to hear about people making money with this info. It took me my whole life to put it together, to figure out the system. What we're asking from you guys is, since we're sending this all out there free, and even the parts that are paid for are so cheap, we ask that you take 5% of the profits that you make from this information and you donate it forward to one of these charities guaranteeing Abundance Mind. And then 5% of the profits, donate it back to the channel guaranteeing Gratitude Mind. And then make sure that 90% left over, you spend it out of love. As long as you follow those rules, that's the rule of karma for the channel, and the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel, my friends. I'll see you guys on the next one.